Okay, we are going to do November 21, paper 11, number 9. You are given f dash x. F dash x is what? F dash x is a first derivative. Therefore, we have already differentiated the function. So f dash x, we have already differentiated the function. Now, to get the function back, okay, we have to integrate it. Okay, this is the question here. So the curve you're given 2x squared minus 7 minus 4x squared. You're given that f of 1 is negative 1 upon 3. So what about negative 1 upon 3? So f of 1. You don't put 1 in this equation. You have to integrate it first. When we integrate, we add 1, we divide by 3. We put x with this, and here we add 1, then we divide by the power. Now, you put 1 in this equation to get the constant. It is like that, you get the constant, which is 2. So fx is this. You have fx. Now, what is the question here? You have to find the, let's see here, find the coordinate of the stationary point. Now, for a stationary point, what you should do? For a stationary point, you have to put divide by the x equal to 0. So you put f dash x equal to 0. Okay? Now, f dash x equal to 0, you factorize. This you ignore. Why you ignore this? 1 minute. Why we ignore this? We ignore this, why? Because root of a negative is, we have no real solution. This is why we ignore it. It is imaginary. So we ignore this. Now we are left with plus 2 and negative 2. So what to do? We replace 2 in the fx we got there. You show to the examiner how you replace it and how you get your answer. Here also you put the negative 2. Now, this is the y, this is y, and this is y. So, you have 2, negative 14 upon 3, and here you have minus 2, 23 upon 3. Now you have 2 stationary points. Let us see the nature of these stationary points. So, here you are. You have to find f double dash x. F double dash x. How to find f double dash x? You have f dash x. Now to find f double dash x, you differentiate the differentiation here. You differentiate it twice to get f double dash x. Now you replace x equal to 2 here in this equation, and f is equal to negative 2 in this equation. You see the value here is 9. So f double dash 2 is greater than 0. So if it is a positive, it is a minimum point. So this point, this stationary point, is a minimum point. And here, this stationary point is a maximum point. Because when you have put negative 2 in f double dash x, you get negative which is less than 0. So, a God-given question, very easy, okay? Okay, we continue.